Let's now go through a few more sums based on AN and SN formula combination, right? Let's do it. The sum is given that A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Now if you see the first part of the question, A12 is given, D is given, and we are supposed to find A. Now this is a concept of AN, something which we have already done. So use AN formula, you get the value of A. Once that is done, then we can easily find out S12. That's the second part. So we need to use AN formula to find A and then SN formula to find S12. Simple. Let's do it quickly. Something which we already know. Now these are all sums like revisions for you all, right? For the given value of A12, first let's use AN formula. So A12 is equal to A plus 11D as per the AN formula, right? A12 is equal to A plus 11D, something which we have already studied. Let's substitute the values. A12 is 37, A is A, and 11 into D is 3. So you get 37 is equal to A plus 33. You get 37 minus 33 is equal to A. So you get A is equal to 4. Find A, answer is A is equal to 4. Now we are definitely in the position to find S12. Now to find S12, D is also known and A12 is also known. See, Sn, in the formula it is An. So if it is S12, meaning An is nothing but A12, right? Because S12 is asked, An is A12, S12, A12, Sn, An, right? So can we say here also An is given to us in the form of A12 and D is also given to us. So you can use any of the two formulae. I think the second formula is better because it's faster, right? It's simple. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus An. So S12 will be equal to n is 12, A is 4 and An, that is A12. Why An is A12? Because n is 12. Clear? S12, A12, Sn, An. Clear? And A12 is 37. So you get 12 upon 2 into 4 plus 37, which is equal to 6 into 41, which is equal to 246. So S12 is equal to 246, A is equal to 4. Very, very simple, right? Hope you understood that. S12, so A12 becomes An. Sn, An, S12, A12. Same, right? Let's do the next sum. Sum is given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and An is equal to 50. Find N and then find Sn. So again the first part is related to An concept. The second part is related to Sn concept, right? So first, because An is given to us, let's use the An formula. A is 5, D is 3, An is equal to 50. For this An, let's use An formula and get the value of N. We know that An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In the place of An, let us substitute 50. In the place of A, we substitute 5. N is N because we are supposed to find, and D is 3. 5 goes to the other side, you get 50 minus 5, which is 45, is equal to N minus 1 into 3. So 45 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. You can take this 3 to the other side. You get 45 upon 3, which is 15, is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 goes to the other side, you get N is equal to 15 plus 1, which is 16. That's the first part, we got the value of N. Now the second part, let us find Sn. Again, An is also given to us, right? And D is also given to us. It's your choice whether you want to use the first formula or the second formula. I think the second is better because An is given to us. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus An. Substitute Sn as, Sn is something which we need to find. Substitute n as 16, A as 5 and An as 50, right? You get 2 8s are 16 and 5 plus 50 is 55. So you get 8 into 55, which is equal to 440. So Sn is equal to 440 and N is equal to 16. Very, very simple, right? Let's move on to the next sum. The next sum is A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. Again, the first part, A is given, A13 is given, and you are supposed to find D. So that part relates to An. And the second part, find S13, relates to Sn. Right? Let's do it. Because A13 is given to us and we are supposed to find D, let's use An formula first. Right? We know that A13 is equal to A plus 12D as per AN formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. So A13 will be A plus 12D. Right? Let's substitute the values. A13 is 35. A is 7. And 12D is 12D. 7 goes to the other side. You get 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. So 28 is equal to 12D. So D is equal to 28 upon 12. Let's simplify this. 4 7s are, 4 3s are. So we get D is equal to 7 upon 3. But is the sum over? No. Now we need to find S13. And again, S13 is asked, A13 is given. This is like Sn is asked and An is given. So we can definitely write or use the second formula as well. Right? So use that. Now Sn is equal to N upon 2 into A plus An. Let's substitute S13. So N is equal to 13, A is equal to 7 and A13 is equal to 35. So it's 7 plus 35. An is nothing but A13 because N is equal to 13. Which is 13 upon 2 into 42. 2 21s are 42. So 13 into 21 is nothing but 273. So answer is D is equal to 7 upon 3. S13 is equal to 273. As simple as that.